Welcome back to Mauuak Saving Tips, your go-to place for budgeting, saving, and financial freedom advice. In today's video, I'm answering some of the most common personal finance questions from you, my viewers. Whether you're trying to start budgeting, pay off debt, or invest for the future, this video will provide practical solutions to help you manage your finances effectively. So, let's dive in and answer your top questions. The first question comes from Sarah. How do I start budgeting if I've never done it before? This is such an important question, especially for those just beginning their financial journey. The best way to start is by tracking your monthly income and expenses. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, the next step is setting a budget. I recommend using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. To make it easier, you can use budgeting apps like Mint, or You Need a Budget. One of the key tips here is consistency. Track your spending weekly to ensure you staying on track. Next up, we have a question from Tom. How can I save money with a low income? This is a question many of us struggle with, especially if you're just starting out in your career or have a tight budget. The truth is, saving money on a low income is challenging, but it's entirely possible with discipline. The first step is to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Even if you're only able to save $1 per day, that adds up over time. Small changes, like cooking at home instead of eating out, avoiding subscription services you don't use, or buying secondhand items, can help you save more. And remember, the goal is to build the habit of saving. Even $10 a week can make a difference in the long run. Moving on to a question from Maria. Should I pay off debt or save first? This is one of the toughest decisions when it comes to personal finance. But here's my advice. Focus on building a small emergency fund first. Having at least $500, $1,000 saved for emergencies can provide peace of mind. Once that's in place, prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards, because the interest charges will eat into your savings in the long run. After you've cleared your high-interest debt, shift your focus to building your savings and investing for the future. Being debt-free is a huge milestone on the road to financial freedom. The next question is from James. Where should I invest as a beginner? If you're new to investing, start simple. The best place to begin is with index funds, or ETFs. These are low-cost, diversified investments that spread your risk across many companies, so they're less risky than investing in individual stocks. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Robinhood offer easy-to-use tools to help you get started. But before you invest, make sure you take the time to learn. Watch videos, read books, and start slow with small investments until you feel comfortable. A great book to start with is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. It's perfect for beginners. Finally, thank you all for your wonderful questions. I hope these answers gave you clarity and some actionable tips to improve your financial situation. If you have more questions about budgeting, saving, investing, or any other personal finance topics, drop them in the comments below. I might feature your question in an upcoming video. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest tips and strategies. Before I wrap up, I have a little bonus for you. If you're looking to get more organized with your finances, download my free budget tracker template from the link in the description below. And make sure you check out tomorrow's video, 30-Day Savings Challenge. Save $500 this month. More practical ways to grow your savings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.